Welcome to the Freemium Starter Kit How-To Rewards. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create and grant rewards, plus the option to let the player increase their reward amount in exchange for watching an ad. At this point, I have created a new Unity project, installed the Freemium Starter Kit, and gone through the one-time setup. So now we are ready to begin building our demonstration. We'll start with the screen builder to build our initial screen. Create our base GUI and open it in the editor. I'm going to give it a background to make things easier to see, but this is not required. Making a UI label that will show the amount of gold that the player has. Sorry, this is one. By setting the name to stat coin, that is telling the Freemium Starter Kit to automatically update this label with the current amount of gold that the player has. Okay, we finished creating the UI, so back to the screen builder to generate the code. Now let's open the code editor. The first thing we need to do is initialize our screen. In this case, it is called reward window. Now open the code for reward window. Actually, let's go back to Unity, as we need to create a reward. Okay, so we go to rewards, add a new reward, 100 gold. And let's go over to reward type, add a new reward, and this is a commodity, coin, 100. There we go. And our reward ID is reward 001. So let's go back to the code. And in our reward click, we're going to reference the global manager, then rewards. Then we are going to say grant reward. The reward we're granting was reward 001. And here is a multiplier for how many of those rewards to grant. In this case, we are granting 1. But we're going to do the exact same call again for the reward add button. And this time we're going to do a multiplier of 2. And what that will do is any reward greater than 1 will call the ad manager system. And if the player watches the ad, then it will grant them the reward. All right, let's go back to Unity. Let Unity finish compiling. Let's run the demo. All right, our screen comes up and we have the button we set up. What we expect to happen when we click this button is to be granted 100 gold. So let's do that. And there we are. The second button, what we expect to happen is that an ad will pop up, and when the ad finishes, we will be granted 200 gold. If we don't let the ad finish, we expect to be granted only 100 gold. So let's do that. Oh no, what happened? We are only granted 100 gold and the ad didn't show up. Under normal circumstances, this would be the expected behavior because mobile ads do not function inside the Unity editor. However, in the Freemium Starter Kit, I have created these dummy classes that intercept calls to the ad manager. So you'll see here there's that dummy classes for AdMob, ChartBoost, Unity ads are all being used. They intercept calls to the ad system and then display dummy ads for you to test with. And if we go down here, we see that the ad priority is set to none. So what that is telling us is the ad system is not currently configured. Let's go over to the Freemium Starter Kit. And as you can see, the priorities are all set to none, and AdMob, Unity ads are all disabled. So our test of the ad system will never work. So let's set this to AdMob, so as our first priority, and let's activate AdMob. We are going to be using a reward video. This is not going to be functioning for real, so we will just create dummy ad IDs. All right, so start the game back up. Back where we were with 200 gold. So when we click this button, we should expect to get an ad. There it is. So we wait the full 4 seconds and we expect to get an additional 200 gold. And there we go. So let's try it one more time, but this time we'll interrupt the ad. So click to end early. So I click, it ends early, and I only got 100 gold. That does it for this demonstration. Thank you.